Okay, 2-0.
Josh.
Nadali, 2 points. All 2, Reyes, 3 points. 2-5.
Okay, 2 points.
Inco, 4-5.
Mukhang mataas na scoring to Oy, nice pass. Good, 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 good.
Nice. Gosela, 2 points, 4-7. Okay, 2 points, Reyes, 4-9.
Lima na hinahabol ng team Solo Joiner. 5 minutes, 15 seconds. 12 to shoot. Archie. Ay, hindi pala. Si ano pala yun? James.
Inco. Nice pass to Gosela. Extra pass. Wala pa rin.
Nakuha ni Josh. Pinasa kay Abelia. Josh. Sayang, hindi na-shoot ni Abelia.
Paalala ko lang
Running time tayo.
Okay, good. Nasa labas na yun 4-11.
James. Nice pass, Abelia. No good. Rebound by Sardenia.
Extra pass. 2 points, Reyes. 4-13.
Josh. Yun lang.
Loose ball. Okay, Gosela, 18 seconds to shoot. Nice, 2 points, Gosela. 4-15. Okay, 2 points, Abelia. 6-15.
Both teams may dalawang pang timeout
Mabang-maba pa oras.
May isang pang-quarter kaya huwag kayong tatama rin. No good by Reyes. Wow! Nice pass! 2 points. Inco. 6-17. Tinitignan ko na yung mga pwedeng magkampi sa All-Star.
Okay, 3 points, Abelia. 8-17. Three points, Reyes. Magandang napos.
Sobra. 8:20, mahaba pa oras. Philip, nice pass. Abelia,
2 points. 10-20.
ispat lang si Rock. Nice, ang ganda nun. 2 points. Unstoppable si Reyes. No good by Josh. Rebound by Inco.
Gosela, ang ganda. Muntikan pa, Sardenia, 2 points. 10-24.
Okay, Philip, nice pass to Josh. Bumomba, Josh. Nice shot.
12-24.
Number 0, Gosela, pinasa kay Reyes. Nice pass to Inko. Maning-maning, 2 points, Inko. Okay, lang ha. 1 minute 35 seconds. Loob ko lang nakaapak ha.
12-28.
This is ang hinahabol. Josh. Tumira. No good. Abelia. Susubok. Pinasa kay Reyes. Bad pass. Eto na. 3 points. 12-31. Kung ano inalat ni Reyes nung nakaraan yata. Ngayong tumutok. Okay, 2 points change. 14:31, mahaba pa oras, may isa pang quarter ha. Last 48 seconds, first half. Nice. Wala. Kanya pa rin talaga, wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Inko, last 33 seconds. Nice pass, Philip. 2 points, 16-31, 27 seconds. Nakakarami ka na. Pondong-pondo na. 3 points. 18 seconds. Grabe. 18:34, 10 seconds. 8 seconds. Gosela. Susubok na wala ang bola. Pinasa kay Sardenia. Wala. 1 second. Okay. Change score. 18:34, this is a East. Dito bola. Bola nyo, Sir Josh. Score 18-34. Both teams may dalawang time out ha. Okay, wait lang ha, wait lang. Okay, game. Okay, feeling to Josh. No good. No good. Okay, 2 points. 36-18, 18. Yes. Nice pass. Okay, 2 points. 36-20. Inko. Pinasa kay Gosela. Pinasa ulit kay Inko. 2 points. Parang ayaw sumablay na itong team na to. Pangalan, sir? Okay. Okay lang po, no problem yan. Rumble na po tayo, late na kasi. Okay. No good, sumablay din. Dalawang beses pa lang sumasablay si Reyes. Rap. Parang automatic machine. 2 points. 38-22. Score 38-22. This is sa East. Unselfish naman ang team na to. 7 seconds. No good. Rebound by Josh. Pinasa kay Rap. Lista mo na. Umupo pa. Yun lang. Pilit lang. Good, good, good. Foul ba? Okay, labas mo na. Foul. Nice pass.
2 points, round.
38-24. Nakaka-14 na yata ang points yun si Abelia. Gosela, nice pass. Yun lang. Hindi gumamit ng board. Nice! Oy! Maalat tong kabila.
Buti na shoot ni Pini.
38-26. Inko, pinasa na naman kay Reyes. Inilista mo na ba? Wala! James. Oy! Akala makakalusot. Gosela, nice pass.
2 points, Reyes.
14-26. Inko. Kala ko magte-turn over Josh. Pull up, 2 points, Josh. Nakukuha na yata ng reading. Uy, ang ganda naman nun. Nice pass. Umupo pa sa ere. Hindi nakakuha si Abelia. 5 seconds. Okay, fresh. 10 seconds. Wala pa rin. Sumasablay na si Reyes. Nakakalima na. Josh, pull up. 2 points, Josh. 13-40. 10 malaki to. Matatalo pa ba sila Sardenya? Gosela. Pinasa kay Sardenya. Tumira. Tapos, nakuha ni Reyes. Floater. No good. Nakuha ni Josh. Magmamadali. Pumwesto na lang ang kakampi. Josh, no good. Nakuha pa. Power move. 2 points, Josh. 14-32. 8. Pagkakaroon kaya ng pagbabago. 2 minutes 50 seconds. Gosela to Reyes. Nawala ang bola na still pilit. Pinasa kay Abelia. 2 points. 14-34. Anin. 2 minutes 30 seconds. Mahaba pa to. Mahigit pa sa 10 possession to. Iyoy! Kala ko sasablay pa si Iko. 42-34.
James, pinasa kay Philip.
Josh, tumira. Wala. Rebound by Iko. Blanca, nicely. Buti na lang.
44-34.
Nice D by Josh.
Okay, foul, labas. 1 minute 30 seconds.
Okay, labas kung may foul.
1 minute 28 seconds. Ten to shoot. Abelia, pull up. No good. Rebound by Gosela. 1 minute 20 seconds.
10.
Reyes, no good. 1 minute 8 seconds. Philip, 2 points.
44-36.
8.
Nice pick. 53 seconds. 12 to shoot. Last 45 seconds. Foul ba? Foul. 2 free throws.
41.9. Okay, first shot is good, 44-37. Last shot. Okay, labas. 44-37. 40 seconds to shoot. 5 lang yan. 35 seconds. 15 to shoot. Foul. 2 free throws. 30 seconds ha. 30 seconds. 7. Okay, first shot is good. 45-37. Last shot. 46-37. Forty-six, 39. 18 seconds. Inco, 2 points. 48-39. 14 seconds. 3 points. 48-42. 8 seconds. Okay, 3 points. Grabe naman. 51-42. Okay. Sino pa bang wala dito? Papapasok na po. Nandiyan na ba si Ramil? Wala pa si Aranyas.